So I'm going to put the sauce on there. A little heavy on the cheese. I overloaded on the cheese, man. You have to forgive me. But, yeah. A little heavy on the cheese, man. So what I was supposed to do, leave the sauce and I think sprinkle the cheese on there. I kind of mixed them together and I put too much cheese in there. So did have a bit of an issue. Now, let's see if I can get that other clam open, get that going too. That's probably more cooked than the others, but or oyster. But yeah, take a look at them puppies, man. So it's a beautiful day. Das Wetter ist schön heute. Hace buen tiempo. New un einziger Menü. It's a nice day, man. We'll do what we could. I see if I can open that last oyster. And it's like feast or famine, man. When I got clams, oysters, everything, and now we're picking out. My wife made the stuffed clams, the clam chowder. You know, I had it last night, tonight. It's just a nice day, Canteen Cup Tuesday. Have a little non-alcoholic beer. I'll have a regular one soon. Make sure I'm not going anywhere. But last night I had a nice Pilsner with the clam broth and Irish butter and some raw clams with the hot sauce. Oh my God, it was just great. So I'll get back to work on this a little bit. Really starting to cook good, so I'm going to put the cover back on, that heat shield, and we're going to let them go for a while. The one on the end, I put the sauce in it, but it was cooking inside the shell. Look at that, man. Look. Oh yeah. You got some stuff going on there, Jack. I'm going to put the cover on and I'll get back to you. So guys, I'm letting this cook. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but not going anywhere. So I figure it's only appropriate. Narragansett fresh catch, the lobster on it. So I've had this before. It's an ale, very good. Canteen cup. It's cooking good, and I'll show you. It's smoking nice and smells good. I just can't believe the size of those oysters. My God, you know. And I know I'm a little crazy and everything, but I thank God for everything I got. Don't abuse this 99% of the time. And having a beer, nice oysters, healthy enough to catch them. I'll show you the fire a little bit. That's good. Just, see, she's smoking there. I'll stop this a sec. There we go. Smoking nice. Got the little shield. I don't know if you can see in there. Just gonna let it cook there. And they're doing good, man. I mean, these oysters, I couldn't even believe these oysters were real. Because around here, you know, you get a 3-inch or you're lucky. Well, they have to be 3 inches. 2 3/4, 3 inches, mostly 3 inches. But they're doing good, man. But I thank the Backwoods Gourmet for the recipe. Just happened to get some big oysters. They're a little bigger than appetizers. These are more like meals. But I'll get back to you. Guys, these are more than done. The one on the end is put in there later, but I think that might be fine too. But I got to get these off. Beautiful, man. Nice little fire going here. There's double brazier. So, yeah. I'm going to get into it now. Here we go, guys. Look at that, man. It's off. See, they're a little overdone. That's the way it goes. I'm not gourmet, man. Okay. How's that? Now let's see if we can eat these up. Gotta let them cool though. How's that, man? That's cool. So guys, we're gonna try them out, man. Try this out. Oh my God. Backwoods Gourmet, you're the best. Outstanding, man. I sit here and eat and have my wife, she eats clam stuff. I really want her to try this. It's good stuff, man. I mean, really good. The thing about oysters is they don't get tough when you cook them. They stay nice. Clams can get tough and rubbery. This is outstanding. Backwoods Gourmet, very simple recipe, beautiful recipe. I was just going to throw them on the grill, all that stuff. I said, no, let me start a fire, use my double brazier. And I'm glad I did, because now I can bring it to my, my new can.